Hi and welcome to this video. The topic of this video is to give you a rough overview of some applications and modules of SOFiSTiK FEA. To keep it simple for today, everything will be shown on a workflow scheme, so nothing detailed at all. So just lean back and enjoy the video.
SOFiSTiK is a modular software, but based on a central database called CDB. Those modules can be accessed with provided graphic user interfaces as well using text input. We distinguish four main scopes, starting from the right. The preprocessing contains the structural model, actions and loads. The processing is the analysis and superpositioning. The post-processing divided in two parts, design, evaluation and documentation, and of course interfaces. All of those are connected bidirectional to the database. The most important modules when start using SOFiSTiK for preprocessing are the TEDI, also called CADINP. It's the parametric input. SOFiPlusX is an application on top of Autodesk AutoCAD and one of the graphical preprocessors. The FEA extensions is the interface for the graphical preprocessing in Revit. SOFiMesh is a module and is responsible for doing all the meshing work for you using the graphical preprocessing applications based either on AutoCAD, Revit or Rhino. The processing. There are many modules available for the processing itself. So we'll just concentrate to the most important one for now. Aqua. Aqua is responsible, for instance, to define the design code, the materials and cross-section. SOFiLoad is the load generator. CSM is responsible for construction stage management. ASE is the advanced solving engine and does the most work for you by calculating the systems. Last but not least, Maxima. Maxima does all the automatic superpositioning for you. The post-processing. With the post-processing comes the design as well the documentation. The left column here represents the design, the right column the documentation modules and applications. If you design beams, AQB and AQBS are the right tools. Shells elements requires BMS. The available post-processing application for reporting are the system visualization, the wing graph, result viewer, and result browser. All of those have different responsibilities. For instance, the visualization is just a nice tool to do a first check of the plausibility of a system. Wing graph allows you to set up drawings for your reporting. As well, result viewer gives you the option to create tabular finite element post-processing. The result browser is the viewer for all the textual results. The data exchange between applications such as AutoCAD, Revit, Microsoft Office is available, as well IFC, ASCII, and programming languages such as VBA, C++, and Fortran. What does all this mean for you as a user on a daily basis? So there's no need to care about all mentioned modules manually by yourself. They all are implemented in the following programs and applications. Again, I start from the right. The application the graphical preprocessing is done with AutoCAD, Revit, and Rhino, and assigned, of course, to the SOFiSTiK applications. This includes the structure and the loads. The task referred to the analysis and superpositioning are available in the SOFiSTiK Structural Desktop, or in short, SSD. The post-processing part of the Structural Desktop is as well programs such as Report Browser, Wing Graph, and Result Viewer.
I hope the video could give you a rough idea of available applications and modules of SOFiSTiK FEA. Have a good day and see you next time.